Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 different ice cream recipes with you all, and these are all whipped cream based ice cream recipes. Stay tuned and let's get started. These are the ingredients we are using for today's lemon ice cream. We have condensed milk, some lemon juice, we have instant whipped cream powder, we have some milk, lemon zest. These are the ingredients we are using for today's orange ice cream. We have some freshly squeezed orange juice, some condensed milk, which is my homemade condensed milk. The recipe is on the channel, you can check out. We have instant whipped cream powder, milk. We also have cold water. These are the ingredients we are using for today's vanilla Oreo ice cream. So we have our instant whipped cream powder here, my homemade sweetened condensed cold full cream milk, some cold water, and a 6-pack of Oreo biscuit. These are the ingredients we are using for today's coconut ice cream. So we have some homemade desiccated coconuts. The recipe is on the channel, you can check out. Some homemade coconut milk, recipes on the channel, you can check out. Instant whipped cream powder, my homemade condensed milk, the recipes on the channel, you can check. These are the ingredients we are using for today's chocolate Oreo ice cream. So we have some cold water, milk, we have my homemade condensed milk, cocoa powder, instant whipped cream powder. We are going to use my homemade tiger nut milk drink, which the recipe is linked below, you can check out, and the ice cream base to make it. And then we'll be using a whisk, a spatula, a measuring spoon, ice cream scooper, a spoon for serving, a spare bowl, another bowl, and the cling film. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So with our bowl here, I'm going to add in the instant whipped cream powder, our milk, and some cold water. Then we'll mix until light, airy, fluffy, and has a stiff peak. So we've obtained the stiff peak. You can start adding in the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add in the condensed milk. Then we'll combine with the whisk until everything mixes nicely. So this is the base for all our ice creams that we are making in this video. Now we are going to add in the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Then we'll combine everything together. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to transfer it into our bowl here. Cover with the cling film. And then we'll place it into our fridge. So this is the lemon ice cream. I'm going to take off the cling film and then we'll start scooping with our ice cream scooper. I'm going to top the lemon ice cream with some lemon zest, So this is our lemon ice cream. We're going to make the orange ice cream. We are going to grate some of the orange zest into the mixture. Then we'll add in the orange. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to cover with a cling film. I'm going to store it in the fridge overnight. So this is our orange ice cream. We are going to serve it into our bowl here with our ice cream scoop. I'll remove the cling film. So I'm going to scoop. So this is our orange ice cream. Just look at that. So this is the base we are going to use for our coconut ice cream. Here's my homemade coconut milk. I'm going to pour some on it and the desiccated coconut. We'll leave some for garnishing. Then we'll mix. I'm going to cover with the cling film. So we'll store in the fridge overnight. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to top it with our desiccated coconuts. So I'm going to scoop with the spoon. Now we are going to make the vanilla Oreo ice cream. We'll start off with the ice cream base. We'll crush into it some Oreo cookies. We'll stir everything together until the Oreo cookies are evenly distributed in our vanilla ice cream base. Then we'll transfer it from the mixing bowl into our bowl or ceramic container, which we'll use for freezing. We'll cover it in cling film and then place it into our freezer until it solidifies. Now we are going to serve and scoop the ice cream from the bowl we placed in our freezer into our bowl that we are using for serving here. The ice cream has been frozen for about 6 hours and is perfect for consumption now. So we are going to start the scooping process. We'll top it up with extra Oreo cookies, and this is how it looks like. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. We are going to use my homemade tiger nut milk drink, which the recipe is linked below, you can check out, and the ice cream base to make it. We'll combine the two together and then we'll transfer it into a bowl and freeze for about 6 hours. After freezing it, we pick it out and then scoop with the ice cream scooper. And this is how it looks like. Now we are going to make the chocolate Oreo ice cream. So we are going to add into the ice cream base our cocoa powder. We mix it thoroughly until evenly distributed. Then we add in the crushed Oreo cookies, mix it nicely, and then we transfer it into our bowl, which we'll use for freezing. After freezing the ice cream for about 6 hours, we are going to pick it out and start scooping with our ice cream scooper, and then we serve it into our bowl here. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.